Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nilfar Yasmin. Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to my online class. Today I discuss with you Chapter 6 Food for Good Health. Last class I gave you some questions. I hope you learn it. Today our topic is food preservation. All types of food are not available throughout the year. So we need to preserve food in different ways. My dear students, do you know what is food preservation? Food preservation is the process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down spoilage, loss of quality, edibility or nutritional value, and thus allow for longer food storage. Now I discuss with you the ways of food preservation. We eat various kinds of foods to survive and grow. Fresh foods makes us healthy and provide us energy, but spoiled foods would make us sick and weak. Food spoils because of pests and microorganisms getting into food. We need to preserve food to stop spoiling. Spoilage of food can be stopped through preservation. Now I discuss with you sun drying, refrigerator, canning or bottling, etc. Sun drying. Drying is the process of taking away the moisture by heating in the sun or an oven. This method works well for many types of foods including fruit, vegetable, fish, meat, grain and pulses. Now I discuss with you refrigerator. Refrigeration is the process of keeping food in a cold place. Refrigerator can be used for preserving many foods, especially vegetables, fruits, fish and meat. Now I discuss with you canning or bottling. Canning is the process of heating food at a specific temperature for a specific period. The food is sealed in a closed container. Fruits, vegetables, fish, meat and some prepared foods are preserved in this way. Fishes can be preserved by using salt or ice. We also use sugar, vinegar or oil, olives, palms, mangoes, etc. My dear students, now I discuss with you importance of food preservation. Food preservation can stop wastage and slow down spoilage of food. Dairy products are frequently contaminated with bacteria and spoiled. It helps prevent the growth of bacteria that causes spoilage. It makes it easy to transport food to far place. My dear students, what you have learnt in these lessons? I hope you learnt in these lessons what is food preservation, how can we preserve food, ancient method of food preservation, scientific method of food preservation, importance of food preservation. My dear students, please read the lesson properly and learn these questions. No more today. Today's homework. Learn page number 41 to 43 and short question answer for 1 to 4 from exercises in your textbook. Next class, I discuss with you about Food to Eat Limited. If you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.